We're back here today supporting the community and keeping the Pu'u Kaimaki Christmas tree lit this year. And this is a different year with COVID, and all of the parades have been canceled. Not a whole lot of Christmas events, and it was more important than ever to make sure that we get the tree lit.
We count on this every year, not just the whole community, I think. I mean, even when we're coming up here, there's already people who live around this area and they go, is tonight the night? Is it happening tonight?
2, 1.
As much as COVID has disrupted things, we still want to celebrate the things that we can.
Although this park is small and a lot of people don't know where this tree is, you can see it from the freeway, you can see it from Waikiki, you can see it from all over. And this year it's important to keep that lit.